we present IRHS heated tent, which can work on DC supply, maximum 300 to 1000 watt, where we are offering our IRHS heater. This tent start from 2% to 50%. Here is the tent sizes, how it looks. Is very good for the high altitude area up to -30. See how it's come. It's coming in the bag. How we are unboxing the tent. And it took us only 20 minutes to make this tent, this 3x3. See, we have all ventilation, windows, mosquito, and inside the insulated tent other. This insulation helps a lot. Now you can see it's coming with the two wall. This is another for the winter, can open this side, but in the summers. For hangers is there, lot of things are there. This is a window खोलना जरा. Is a netted window, and there is again small window is there for the like a summer situation. Here, if we have some Bukhari and other options to bring in. So this is a complete solution we are giving. Our heater will be coming upstairs. It's a maximum 300 to 400 watt, and battery also be inside. Battery inside, and solar, and the wind turbine and DG. So this type of tent we will manufacture, and we can do for 2% to 50%. If it's required, we can make a stadium size in the same manner. Thank you. This is our tent, 3x3 inflated. This is the pump. Now we are trying to trial run.